got these little kind of like Bob Ross style clouds. Seems like the camera's having a hard time.
Hey,
Oh
remember,
shit, you scared me.
I told you when you go on Spectrum, they turn you on in a second, but when you want to get off, they won't let you get off.
Right.
They did that to Gina yesterday. I told her, call them back up, tell them the date, that today's date, tell them the time, and say, look, I want this cable cut off immediately and hang on.
I will help you, and you may have to be right next to me just because you're power of attorney.
Get some money, because we need a little bit of money for that death certificate, and I gotta get gas and shit.
I have that $10 still. Is the bird gone? I think he might be. This weird cloud shelf thing coasting by. And then it looks pretty peaceful out there. Like I don't see any. Although there's something with eyeballs. Oh, I do see two heads.